Temporary internship.
Are you working at the company downtown?
Yes, I'm doing an internship there for 3 months.
That's great experience. Do you like it?
I do, but it's a lot of work.
Well, internships can lead to bigger opportunities.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Taking care of plants.
Are you still watering your neighbour's plants?
Yes, I'm taking care of them while they're on vacation.
That's nice of you. How long are they away for?
Just until next weekend?
I hope they appreciate your help.
They do. They left me some chocolates as a thank you.
Fixing the roof.
What's all that noise coming from your house?
We're fixing the roof. It's been leaking for weeks.
That must be expensive.
It is, but we couldn't wait any longer.
I hope it's done quickly.
Me too. The noise is driving me crazy.
Learning to drive.
Are you taking driving lessons now?
Yes, I'm learning to drive with my dad.
How's it going?
It's harder than I thought, but I'm improving.
Keep practicing. You'll get it soon.
Thanks, I hope so.
Writing a novel.
Are you working on anything exciting these days?
Yes, I'm writing a novel. It's my first one.
That's amazing. What's it about?
It's a mystery set in a small town.
Sounds interesting. I can't wait to read it.
Thanks. I'll let you know when it's done.
Trying new recipes.
Are you cooking a lot these days?
Yes, I'm trying new recipes every week.
That sounds fun. What did you make last night?
I made homemade pizza for the first time.
Yum, how did it turn out?
It was delicious. You should try it.
Staying at a friend's house.
Are you still living with your friend?
Yes, I'm staying at her house while my apartment is being renovated.
That's nice of her to let you stay.
She's been great, but I can't wait to have my own space again.
When will your apartment be ready?
Hopefully in 2 weeks.
Planning a wedding.
Are you busy with wedding preparations?
Yes, I'm planning everything right now and it's so stressful.
I can imagine. What's left to do?
Almost everything. The venue, catering and decorations.
Let me know if you need help.
Thanks. I'll definitely take you up on that.
Practicing for a performance.
Are you free to hang out this week?
Not really. I'm practicing for a performance on Friday.
Ah, what kind of performance?
It's a dance recital. I've been rehearsing every day.
That's exciting. Good luck with it.
Thanks, I'll need it.
Temporary volunteer work.
Are you still volunteering at the animal shelter?
Yes, I'm helping out there for the next month.
That's so kind of you. What do you do there?
I'm feeding the animals and cleaning their cages.
That must be a lot of work.
It is, but it's really rewarding.